Okay, welcome to the personal property tour for 30A Shore Street in Anstruther. It's a beautiful 2-bedroom first floor apartment finished to, I usually say a high standard, but this is an extremely high standard, almost to the point of immaculate. Wait till you see inside here. There's the property right here, just along there, these 3 windows to the front. They've got amazing views out towards this area as well. And I'm trying to keep it a secret, but look what I'm looking over. Right here, look, this is what I'm looking over. This is your view, basically, of the harbour, and beyond. Actually, it goes away over to Berwick Law from the windows upstairs. But you've got easy access to everything. This is actually the Fife Coastal Path. It runs right along here, past here, but you can see all the cafes, bistros and restaurants. You've got the Coast Coffee, you've got the fish and chip shops, Vintage Tea Room, Waterfront, you've got Bread and Bottles, you've got all the different places, Auction Anchor, the Scoop, TK Brown Pharmacy as well. So you've got the pharmacy down here, you've got another fish and chip shop towards the end, and then further on, you've got the RNLI station there as well, and then the pier is actually, a lot of entertainment goes on there. Just now you've got the waltzers and various other things there as well, but the Anstruther Harbour Festival is held here every single year. It's an amazing event overall, and it's a great community feel. Let me take you around this property. Remember, this is a personal property tour, and I'll talk to you about the end, about how you get details on this property, and also I'll talk to you at the end about what's in the area in relation to everything. Roger Street is just along there, and I will talk to you about close proximity to the schools and that. Okay, so we come into the close here. As we walk up, the first thing I see here is your downstairs storage cupboard, and it literally is a huge cupboard. It goes all that way in the depth. It is up to about there, so it's got a huge height to it as well. You can now, I've been in there, you can easily get probably a kayak, a 1-person, or maybe even a 2-person kayak up and down in here. You can get a couple of mountain bikes in there, and there's still plenty of storage for everything else as well. And then as we go in, we just go up to the first floor here. Again, it's all some of the original features here. As you see, wrought iron balustrade. This is the front door. And we come into the main hall. Now, when I talked about the high standard, the exceptional high standard that's been finished, you can see things like this. Attention to detail. Radiators. This is the styles all the way throughout. You've even got a vertical one in the actual dining kitchen and the living room off to the front. But I'll start where I mean to go on, which is to my left-hand side. We have got the shower room. There's shower rooms, and then there's this. Beautiful. You can see that rainfall thermostatic shower there, and that big walk-in shower enclosure. And then you've got storage to the rear there as well. You've got plenty of shelving and storage. One thing this property's got, it's got loads of space and plenty of storage. And then here's the first of the bedrooms to the rear here. Now, the double sliding doors for the wardrobe, and then you've got it on the other one as well. But it's a huge room. That's like the sun's out, isn't it? It's beautiful. And I'll just stop right there. That is some picture. Gorgeous. So double glazed throughout. Sash and case double glazing to the front. Again, these radiators in here. We're going to go to the front bedroom first. So I'll show you the 2 bedrooms, then we'll end up with the dining kitchen, open plan to the living room. So again, I think this is a bigger bedroom in comparison to the other one as well. I thought the other one was big, this is even bigger. So there's a huge amount of space here. And again, you've got these double sliding doors. This is your wardrobe. You could easily fit a king, super king in there, I would say. The radiator again. I'm going to give you, let's look at it, because I'm going to look at every single window for these views. Look at that. What a view. If golf's your thing, by the way, see over there, where that wee tower is. That's the golf course over there. So we've got a beautiful golf course here. Crail's got another 2 exceptional golf courses, and then you go further down, you've got Collinsborough, Charlton at Collinsborough. You've also got Dumbarton Golf Course at Dumbarton Links, and then easy access into St Andrews, but I'll talk about that in a minute. So it's a beautiful view out there. And then we'll walk into what is the dining kitchen. Now, what I love about the dining kitchen, what I no love about the dining kitchen, you've got your Cumbria condenser boiler up on the wall there. You've got your Belfast sink over there with your attachment for cleaning your veg and stuff like that. And then you've got a slimline dishwasher. Beautiful worktops, beautiful finish in here. Then you come along, you've got a integrated washer dryer. And then you've got your hob, your oven, and your extractor above. Place for your microwave, plenty of storage all the way throughout. Look at the four-seater table there. Look at the size of this, by the way. You could easily get a huge table right along there. So if you're entertaining friends and family, this could be the place for you. And then over there, they've got a fridge and freezer there just now, but they've had an American-style fridge freezer in there, a huge one in there. And then just across the other side, you've got a larger cupboard over there. And then you've got another cupboard for storage below. See what I mean about the vertical radiator? Same theme, same style of radiator. There's no expense spared in this property. Now, you'll have noticed things like towels on the beds, you've got Prosecco and everything sitting out there. This is actually a very successful holiday let at the moment. But it could be the perfect home for you. Or it could continue to be that for you. And then as you come along here, you've got a bookcase in there. You've got a space there for you've got a wee electric fire in there. As we come round, it's got broadband in here as well. And then 2 double glazed sash and case windows to the front there, bringing a huge amount of natural light. And then you've got your Fife Coastal Path on the wall. So quickly, look, there's Anstruther there. You've got Crail just up the road, 2 great golf courses up there, very idyllic. Pitt and Weem as well, just down the road. And then you've got St Monans and Ely. And then just over the hill, you can get easy access. About 30 minutes into St Andrews and come back. So if you want coastal living and you want just to pop over to St Andrews and come back, this is definitely the place for you. And I'll let you have a wee look at this again. I'll give you some of my ideas about this, because I just thought, ooh, you could get another bedroom out here, by the way, or maybe even a home office. Because this room is actually huge. You might want to keep it like this, it's entirely up to yourself, but subject to permissions, you might get away with this. You could actually run a stud right down there to that wall and have your separate window there, and you could have a home office in here. Who knows? It could be the perfect. And you've still got plenty of room here for furniture to go in that bit, because it's open plan to the kitchen. So you get access in through that door into here. Brilliant, isn't it? And then another double glazed sash case window to the front, again with these beautiful views. Just across, actually, just so you can see about the views. Right over there, look, there's North Berwick Law. Just over there, I could see the Bass Rock, actually. It's about there somewhere. Just at the back of there. Yeah, just hiding. On a clear day, when it's nose misty. So right across the water, you've got North Berwick, you've got Leith, and then you've got Edinburgh as well. Probably see I think you see the fireworks, New Year and stuff like that, over at Edinburgh Castle here. But you've got a couple of beaches, you've got a beach over there. You've also got another beach around the corner there as well. I'll talk about some of the other areas. Roger Street, I'd mentioned over there. You go straight up there, you've got the main shopping facilities at the Co-op. And then you've got, across from the Co-op, you've got the primary school, and you've got the secondary school, which is Wade Academy. So you've got everything on your doorstep. This could be the perfect lifestyle choice for you. It could be an investment for you as well, I suppose. But, oh God, I would live here all the time. I would just sit and watch that view all the time. It's like, I'd probably never leave the house. Okay, so what else is in this area? If open water swimming's your thing, if sailing's your thing, you're right next to the harbour. If open water swimming's your thing, it's just you could go right out there as well. You've got the wee beaches that you can do all water swimming, but you've got the Cellardyke tidal pool just along the road. It is one of the top 5 in Scotland. I'm sure it was in a recent survey. This East Neuk area as well, including Anstruther, is some of the most idyllic places in Scotland, if not the UK, by the Herald, the Scotsman, and also the Times. It's always mentioned in some shape or form for what it is, and it's such an idyllic place. If golf's your thing, you've got the golf course, as I said. You've got nearby you as well. You've got Crail, it's got 2 beautiful golf courses over there on, links golf courses. And then you've also got further down in Collinsborough, you've got Charlton Golf Course, you've got Ely Golf Course, and you've got Dumbarton Links Golf Course as well, further in back towards Leiden. Mentioning Leiden, train stations there. Direct access in the train station from Leiden, 30 minutes down the road, direct access in Edinburgh Waverley. From Leiden, within an hour, or just outside of an hour. I've been on it myself. So you've got direct access into a train station in Leiden from just 30 minutes down the road in the car. And they've got park and ride as well at Cameron Bridge. So if you take your car, you can park it at Cameron Bridge and you can get directly access into Edinburgh Waverley as well. So you've got a whole load of amenities on your doorstep. You've got everything you would ever need. What are you waiting on? What are you waiting on? It could be the perfect place for you. Could be the perfect place for you. What are you waiting on? Click on the link above or below for further details. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can call us on 01333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.